What? Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday, Dre. Yay. How old are you?
14.
14. Jailbait? No. 24.
Yeah.
34.
No.
44.
No.
How was your night?
It was good.
You miss the kids?
Of course I miss the kids.
Better. We love our babies.
Yeah.
Yeah. How was the cake?
It was good. And
I think-
cold
I
when
think
it
it
was
was-
smashed on my face.
Oh yeah, I didn't even get a picture of that. I want
Everybody
a
else
slice.
did.
Can you go cut me a slice?
That's not going to be good for you right now.
You rude. Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
We went out. We had a blast. Had a good time. I hope you had a good time.
You had more fun than I did. I know that.
Really?
You were going all out. Yeah.
That's good and bad, but I guess that's good though. At least it's not like I was being freaking crazy. So that's
Not
cool.
until the last bit.
That joke wasn't funny. But yeah, okay. Well, happy birthday. It's 2013. You are 24, and my birthday will be next weekend. So we're enjoying.
She'll be
this.
36.
Oh, you like cougars? Oh wait, no, you're not a cougar till you turn 40.
Yeah.
Oh well. Okay. Bye.